In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Clipchamp efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, knowing how to manage your media in Clipchamp can greatly enhance your editing workflow. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to the Clipchamp website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log in or create an account if you haven't already. It's important to have easy access to your projects and media files, and having an account ensures all of your work is saved and accessible from anywhere. Once you're logged in, head to the media section of Clipchamp. This is your main hub for accessing all video files, images, and audio clips you might need for your editing project. If you're new to Clipchamp, take a moment to explore this section and familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive, so spend a minute or two clicking around to see where everything's located. Now let's move on to the editing process. Suppose you have a video on your timeline that you would like to divide. It's quite straightforward. Click on the video and a set of tool options will appear. Look for the split or scissors icon. This is your gateway to dividing the video into separate clips. Once you click this icon, go ahead and select the point in the timeline where you'd like to split the video. Simply click and there you go. Your video is now divided into two separate clips. From here, let's focus on organizing those clips. To introduce a gap between the clips you've just split, all you need to do is click and drag the second video clip to the right. Watch as you create some space between the two segments. This gap might be perfect for inserting a transition, another video, or even a simple pause in the video, depending on what you're aiming to achieve with your editing project. And that, my friends, is essentially how you manage and manipulate your media in Clipchamp to create a gap between clips. Repeat this process as necessary throughout your editing project. The more you practice, the more you'll start to understand and get comfortable with Clipchamp's features. Before we wrap up, remember that becoming proficient in video editing is a gradual process, so feel free to revisit these tips anytime. By experimenting and exploring, you'll grow more accustomed to the tools available to you. So go ahead, play around, and have fun with it. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.